Today, I'll walk you through how to save a file and how to open a saved file on Google Sheets, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to manage your files in Google Sheets so you can work more efficiently and confidently. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, look for the grid icon in the top right corner. This is the Google Apps menu. Click on it to reveal a list of Google services. This is where you'll find Sheets. Next, click on Sheets. This will take you to the Google Sheets homepage where you can either open an existing file or create a new one. If you want to create a new spreadsheet, simply click on the blank option. If you're looking to access a previously saved file, you can find it listed here as well. It's like opening a book you've already read. Now, here's an important point to remember. Google Sheets automatically saves your changes as you work. Yes, you heard that right, there's no save button. Your updates are continuously saved to your Google Drive, which means you can focus on your work without worrying about losing any data. This is similar to how a river flows continuously, effortlessly carrying your progress along. If you want to reopen a saved file, simply return to the Sheets homepage. The most recent files will be displayed at the top of the page, making it easy for you to access your work again. Think of it as your personal library, where your most recent reads are always front and center. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Google often updates its interface, but the core functionality remains the same. To recap, we opened Google Access Sheets, created or opened a file, and learned that our changes are automatically saved. Finally, we discovered how to easily reopen our saved files. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.